I think I called the camera. Not supposed to move like that. It's a bad wheel bearing. And these brakes. Looking kind of thin. That front brake pad is almost done. And there's a lip on the back of this rotor. The front's still pretty smooth, but the back has a lip. So that might be out of spec where the rotors might have to be replaced. What's all this rust?